Go, Linus. Finish it.
Get it. You're all right. Come on. Suck the drag out. Don't stop wrestling, Linus.
Go hard, Linus.
Come back up. Stand up.
But he can't hold you. You're all right.
Stand up.
Stay down.
Back up.
Back up again. Keep going, kid. Keep wrestling, Linus. There you go. Do it again.
Roll that wrist up. Back up. Come on, he's locking his hands every time. You get it this time.
There you go.
Lower your level. Hand fight. Hey, don't chase his hand. You just stay where you are. Hand fight.
Lower your level a little bit. Come on, Linus.
Over his head. Keep wrestling. What are you doing, Linus?
Get up again, kid. Let's go. You got it. Come on, get him. Keep those arms.
Power. There you go. Work up your base. Come on up. You're out. Linus, you're like your days.
Go hard, Linus. Go hard.
Stand up. Now switch. Stand up, Linus.
Good job.
Get your double leg and slow down a little.
Lower your level, Linus.
Standing up straight. Lower your level.
His level's lower than you.
Yeah. Stomach. You go on defense. You're not that good. You gotta score another stand up here. You're not on offense at all. Get up.
Get up, Linus. Let's go, bud.
Stand up.
There you go. Find it.
Hey, you got. There's 1 second left.
Linus, what are you doing? Get on your feet, shoot the last couple. Hey, stop fooling around out there. Get your feet here and shoot your double leg. Get a fresh start. Have fun.
Let's go, Linus. Come up to your knees.
Work up, Linus.
Knee slide. You're out. Break the grip. Stand down. Good. Hey, lower your level. Lower your level. There you go. Hands in front. Get close. Arm drag double leg. Lower your level. Get close. Lower your level. Find it, kid. Finish it hard. There you go. Work up. Now you're wrestling. Let's go.
Tilt it. Go.
Go for it. Yeah. There you go.
Hold him, Linus. Hips up.
You got a power half. You got to adjust. Come out on top. You got to get your leg up. Come on, Linus. Hey, you got to get one here.
Get one. Hey, slow down. Hey, get one.
Yeah, he did this.
Let's go, Linus. Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Build your knees under you. Come on.
Keep going.
Stand up, get one. Up.
Good job. Good job. Hey, lower your level. Let's go. You're wearing him down. That's there. Hey, he's looking at the clock. Arm drag double. Arm drag. There, finish it. What? Get your feet. Don't give that up. Don't give that up. Lock on it. Lock is it. Come on, Linus. You can do it. Stay there. 5 seconds.
Come on up with it. You can score this.
Come on, Linus. Come on, Linus.
Hey, it's not a bad shooting.
Chicago. dotted line is.
So we want to be